Hello student. Now today in this session of class 12 business, we will be going to discuss one more concept related with the motivation. Today we will be discussing about the need hierarchy theory given by Maslow. Okay. So Maslow has said this thing that the human needs can be categorized into 5 parts. And when the human needs are categorized into 5 parts, those needs are to be fulfilled in a particular sequence only. Okay. So what are those 5 needs? First, let us see this thing. First one is physiological need, then safety need, then social need, then esteem or ego needs, and then self-actualization need. So there are 5 categories of needs, and accordingly Maslow has said this thing that the need should be fulfilled. The very first need, that is physiological need. The physiological need is related with the basic concept that first we have to fulfill the need, that is the basic need, which is related with food, shelter and clothing. When we are talking about food, shelter and clothing, that means any individual, he cannot survive without all these things. So first we have to see this thing that these basic needs are fulfilled which are required for the survival of the human being or any individual person. So first you should think of this need, that how you will be able to get the food, how you will be able to get the shelter, and what you will be doing for wearing the clothes. So first you have to fulfill these basic needs. Okay. Then comes safety. After fulfilling the basic need of food, clothes and shelter, now the next need which you have to satisfy, that is related with the safety. Safety related with the job, safety related with the personal care, that is safety from any accident, safety from any medical illness. Okay. So this type of safety are needed by the individual person. So what you will be doing, you will be thinking that how you will be getting these safety. Safety of job, that means you have to get a good job and you have to continue for a longer term period in that job, and there should be the various benefits which you are getting from the job. After the retirement also, what you are getting, whether in the form of pension, gratuity, any compensation from the company. So these are the various types of safety which you are getting. Then you have to think that you have to protect yourself. So you have to insure yourself. You have to get some medical insurance. Okay. So these are some of the insurance you can take, okay, to protect yourself or your life and the other persons who are directly or indirectly depending on you. So this you will be satisfying at the second level. So this is safety. After fulfilling your safety need, you will move to the third need, that is social need. Now you will think that you have to create a certain group. You should involve yourself into the relation with the other persons in the society. So you will be seeing this thing that in the organization where you are working, you are mixing with the other persons, you are creating the social group, friends with whom you can share your joys, your sorrows, okay, and love, affection, from whom you can get all these things. So you need a society, you need a number of persons who are there with you and with whom you can enjoy your life. So now you will be thinking of fulfilling your social needs. After fulfilling the social need, then you will go for your esteem or the ego needs. The esteem or the ego needs are related with self-respect, admiration from the others, okay, holding the prestigious position in the prestigious job, okay. So when all these things are coming in your way, that means you are fulfilling your esteem or the ego needs, okay. All the people who are associated with you, like your working style, like your nature, behavior, because you are giving them the respect, you are getting the self-respect for yourself. So when all these things are taking place, so it satisfies your ego. So now you have satisfied this need also. Then comes the self-actualization need. This is the need which you have to satisfy after satisfying all the other needs. There are some hidden talent in you. You have got the potential or the capabilities of doing the work in the creative manner, in the different ways. So now you will be making the use of your hidden talent, your creativity, and then you will be fulfilling your self-actualization need, because this is the need which you are fulfilling for yourself. After fulfilling all the other needs throughout your life, whatever you have done, you have fulfilled your physiological needs, safety needs, social need, and esteem need. Now you have to see this thing that there are some hidden talents in you. You have got certain creativity that you can do a particular work in a different manner. So now is the time to fulfill that type of need. So these type of needs are fulfilled, that is known as self-actualization need. Okay. The basic assumption behind the theory of need given by the Maslow's are that behavior is the base of the need. The behavior of the individual person is the base of any need for the person, because people behavior are different. So the needs may also vary from one person to another person. Hierarchy of needs may also be different. It is not compulsory that this hierarchy should be followed by each and every person. If already a certain person has fulfilled his physiological or safety need, those needs are already being fulfilled. So why he will be going for fulfilling those needs? So he will change this hierarchy. Okay. So hierarchy of need is also different in different persons. Then need, once when it is satisfied, it is a temporary end of that satisfaction of the need. एक टेम्पररी एड होता है. Once your particular need is satisfied, it will develop after a certain time period. कुछ समय बाद वो फिर आएगा. आपको भूख लगती है, आपने खाना खा लिया, और कुछ समय बाद फिर आपको भूख लगेगी. आपको प्यास लगती है, आपने पानी पी लिया, पर वो देखेंगे कुछ समय बाद आपको वापस से प्यास लगेगी. Okay, so these things are taking place. And when we are satisfying the need, we have to always be careful about this thing, that first we have to satisfy the lower level need, and then we have to move to the higher level need. We should not think of satisfying the higher level need first, then we should go to the lower level. पहले आप lower level की need को satisfy करिए, उसके बाद आप उससे ऊपर की need को satisfy करने की बात सोच सकते हैं. So this was the need hierarchy which was given by Abraham Maslow. Okay, so this is known as Maslow theory of motivation related with the hierarchy of need. Hope you have understood this theory, that overall there are 5 needs and how those needs are to be satisfied. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.